Hello guys, my name is Steven Washaria. I'm the founder of Polypack Traders Limited. For Polypack Traders Limited is a waste company. We deal with waste collection, transportation and management. Right here we are at our site where we do black soldier fly farming. I want to take you through the various stages of black soldier fly farming. Start with waste collection, garbage collection. Now, after collecting our kitchen waste, this is some of our waste from the supermarket and the market, and also we have various kind of, and also this is chicken droppings, which we mix together to make a balanced diet for the black soldier fly, and we putting them into the trays where we introduce now the worms for feeding. This, as you can see, these are the worms. After feeding the larva, we take it to our sorting area. This is where now we start our process of sorting. After 10 days of feeding, we bring the feed or the larva to this table, and on this table, this is where now we sieve the larva and the organic compost. As you can see, this is the organic compost that we produce after 20 days of feeding. So after we collect the waste, we usually comes at our yard, sort the waste into various types, and after segregation, we bring the organic waste to this room, where in this greenhouse where we feed black soldier fly. In this greenhouse, this is the whole operation of black soldier fly. After now bringing the kitchen waste and the market waste here, we try to make a good balanced diet for the black soldier larvae, where we incorporate all the nutrients that are good for its growth. Then we take it, we put them into crates. We put the waste into crates, where now we feed the larvae, the black soldier larvae. Initially we had a challenge. Of crates, because BSF crates are very expensive. But fortunately, we were lucky to have the normal crates, and we improvised by turning the crates into basins with the polythene waste that we collect also. So we have incorporated two waste: the crates, the normal crates, and the polythene waste, to create a basin that is favorable for feeding the black soldier fly. For example, like you can see here, this is a larvae which is 7 days old. It has started. It is 1 week old on feeding. So we leave this larvae for another 7 days to feed for another 7 days, so that we can harvest it. And when harvesting it, we don't harvest every larva. We don't harvest all of it. We harvest 70% of the larva. Then we take it to our sieving. At this sieving area, this is where we get now the organic fertilizer. The initial feeding that we start with, the larvae feeds with it for the next 14 days.
For the next 14 days. So no additional food.
So it is only one feeding cycle for the larvae harvesting, whereby at the 14th day we harvest now our 70% of the larva, the 70% of the larva, and we leave the 30% in that food.
Okay.
So what we usually do, we top another second feeding with another food.
Okay.
We call it now the second stage feeding. So that now this 30% will be the larva that will get to maturity into a pupa stage, for it to continue the cycle of the black soldier fly.
Okay.
Now the 70% that we have removed,
yes,
that has only fed only for 14 days,
yes,
is the one that we take to the market, or we feed our livestock.
Okay.
So this 70%, we bring it to our sieving area. As you can see, this is our sieving area.
Yes.
At this sieving area now we produce two products. the larva for feed,
Yes.
and for organic fertilizer for the farm.
Aha.
As you can see, this is a high quality organic fertilizer.
Yes, yes,
Best
yes.
for anybody who is engaged in organic farming. After this stage, now we go to the market. This is the stage. Now we go to the market. We come out with the two products, the larva and the flies.
Okay.
The 30% that we have left to feed,
Yes.
it feeds for another 10 days,
Okay.
where it gets now to the maturity, to the stage we call pupa stage.
Uh-huh.
Now we take it, we remove it from the food,
Yes.
then we take it to the dark room. This is our dark room.
Yes. So now
This is our dark room.
this is the 30%. This is where you take the 30%.
30%.
Uh-huh.
The 30% we store it here for 10 days.
Yes.
There, where the pupa now changes into the fly, or it develops into a fly.
Yes.
After being a fly, after the metamorphosizing to a fly,
Yes.
it goes into the light.
Uh-huh.
This is now this net house is called a love cage.
Yes.
Where
So this is the love
this
cage.
is the love cage. It's called the love cage because it's where the flies come to mate
Yes.
and also to lay eggs.
Ah.
After they lay eggs, we collect the eggs. As you can see, on this, there are some trays on the floor.
Yes.
There are two types of trays, the big ones and the small ones.
Yes.
The small ones are water pads where they drink water.
Yes.
The flies don't feed. They don't feed on anything.
Yes.
They only drink water.
Okay.
And the bigger trays, we have placed laying pads. We call it eggies. This is where we cover the trays. Inside we have attractant, some smelly organic waste
Yes.
that smells a lot to attract these flies.
Yes.
So that they can lay eggs on the eggies.
Okay.
In this love cage, the fly only stays for 9 days.
For 9 days.
Then it dies.
Okay.
Because the lifespan of a fly is very short.
Yes, 7 days.
7
You
days.
know,
7
in
days.
fact, yours goes for more. Is older than other flies.
The common house fly.
Yes.
It goes for 7 to 9 days.
Mm-hmm.
In this 7 days, 1 week, they are able to hatch as many as possible. Actually, they lay 50 grams of eggs every day.
50 grams of eggs every day.
Whereby we collect. Actually, so making it that we collect every day.
Yes.
After that, we take the eggs to our incubator. We have a small incubator that we have improvised.
Yes.
Innovated for ourselves.
Yes.
The eggs stay in the incubator for 3 days. Then they hatch into small larvae. Then we introduce the larvae into the feed. Now we start over again from where we started, and the cycle continues.
The cycle of making money continues.
The cycle of making money continues and managing waste continues. Thank you very much.